Hey there, my name is Chase Murphy and I'm a Senior ConnectWise Consultant at ProVal Tech, and today I wanted to go over how to look at some of your patching data so you can help confirm which machines have patches installed or not installed, because we've been getting a lot of questions related to this around the print nightmare vulnerability that everyone's been dealing with. So let's get into it. So in your Automate instance, you can head over to the Automation tile, head over to the Data Views. Inside of the data views in the patching folder, there will be a patches data view. You can open up that data view and it's essentially going to show you all of the patches that are accessible in your system and have been detected on agents. What we're particularly looking for in this case is the cumulative updates for the modern operating systems like the Windows 10 and 2016, 2019 servers. So what we typically do here is we find the patch, so you can usually do it by the month and year, or year and month, and you just got to get the rest of the title in here so that you can find the data. So this is just our test environment, so we don't have a lot of data, but if we search for the 2021-07 cumulative updates, it'll filter it down and show us which machines need that patch and which ones it has attempted, not attempted, or installed already, or failed. There's a lot of other options you can add in here to make the data easier to manipulate. Things like the operating system, so you can target your servers or workstations specifically. You can also add in columns for seeing if the patch is actually approved. We were just noticing that during this print nightmare, they released 2 different cumulative updates that applied to systems differently. So it was important for us to help our partners and look to see if the patches were approved all the time. So some of these things can help verify the data. You don't have to always do it by title either. You can do this by just the KB information. So if you clear out all of your data and search for just the KB, it'll show you the machines that are related to that specific KB. We don't have any in our environment, but keep this as a reminder. The Windows 10 machines that are on non-supported builds or are missing prerequisites to get these cumulative updates installed will show that it just needs a feature update. So if you typed in this KB, for example, in your environment, you might see some patches showing the cumulative update, and you might see some that just say feature update. The feature update machines are probably going to be best managed by just installing the Windows Upgrade Assistant and executing that, because that will install all missing patches and all prerequisites on that system and take care of a build update while you're at it. So it's a pretty nice strategy for dealing with this stuff. So thanks for watching. We try to post a new video every week to share our knowledge on Automate. To learn more about what we do, please visit provaltech.com. There should be a link in the description below. Thank you.